How to increase GPay or Google Pay limits. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can increase Google Pay or GPay limit, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to increase your Google Pay or GPay limit, it's actually quite simple to do so, because all you have to do is just go ahead and then make sure to launch the Google Pay application here. Once you launch the Google Pay app, you're actually going to be able to see this sort of interface, where what you need to do is you just need to actually go ahead and then tap the profile icon from the top right hand side. Once you tap the profile icon right over here, you can say set up your Google Pay balance. Make sure to tap on it, and here you'll find verify your identity. So just tap on verify identity option over here, and once you go ahead and verify your identity using all of your legal details, you'll be able to basically increase your limits on Google Pay. This way you'll be able to go ahead and increase your GPay limits. Hope this video is very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.